This is the electrical board, which splits between unit 1s, 3, 2, 4, unit 5, and the landlords at number 6. And as you can see, next to each meter, that circuit breaker has its own meter as well, right? And what that does is enables me to see how many units of electricity a specific apartment uses, so that I can correlate that and check that against the number of units that they buy. And in that way, I can see if at any stage a tenant has breached electricity, in other words, trying to bypass their prepaid meter, because I can actually see how many units of electricity they use here, and I can check that, for example, against the number of units that the tenant is buying and using here. And in that way, I can actually make sure that it is fair and the tenant is using the correct amount of electricity that they are buying. What I'll do then is, at the beginning of the lease, I will take a reading here to see what the reading is on this, and I will then check to see during the months how much electricity they use, so that we can actually make sure that the number of units used correlates. And we'll do that by checking this with the number of units that they purchase. I can go online, and on the web interface I can see how much electricity each of the tenants is buying, and in that way make sure that this number of how many units used equals to the number of units that they have bought.